Say you're the best at making money, and money rules the world. Your freedom is one thing.
Hey honeys, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Princess Holly, and if you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share this video. Please, I want you guys to comment so badly. And by the title of this video, you already know what I'm doing today. Today is Sunday morning. I woke up by 5 a.m. I have to prepare my keys to meet my mother-in-law and then head out to work. Good morning, guys. I just got up and I just wanted to wash the dishes, clean the house, and Rashford heard my movement and decided to wake up too. And now he's up and angry. Whenever he's up, you just have to give him food immediately. He's angry and he wants to eat, so I have to prepare food now for him. So I already told you guys that Rashford is angry and he has to eat before he can smile for the day. Well, I'm making his food now. Usual bread and tea in the morning. That's the first thing I always do if I clean my house or sweep or get anything done in the morning. I have to feed Rashford.
I would've put it all on hold. Now I'm playing in the sand till it turned to gold. Midas hands, but we all grow old. Can't have my soul, let my heart turn stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought. That's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space thinking about growing older, done my thinking, me and you. Yeah, guess it's over. It was a rainbow, but was sinking. Lost my hue. I might come running back when our hearts get back on track. When the stars line up, that's that. I've been attached, just looking out. We move so fast, was moving south.
And mind you guys, this is not 7 or 8 in the morning. This is 5:35 a.m. in the morning. Rashford is eating breakfast. Yes, he eats very early. He can wake up by 4 and want to eat something. That is Rashford for you. He's a foodie, unlike Wealth. She doesn't eat that much. She's just there. But Rashford is a foodie. He's a big foodie. So guys, comment on the comment section what your babies or your niece, nephew, what they want to eat or what they like to eat in the morning. And let me
my secret sauce, move in and out. Miss how you gloss that pretty mouth. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
Gloss that, love it when you toss it back, love it when you talk back. Girl, you get me off track, so off-white tracksuit, just so I can floss, yeah.
My baby's awake. Why you guys just waking up very early today? What happened? I'm tired. Yeah, wait, I'll make your own food. Oh, you did, oh. Oh, okay. Pa. Rashford is a good boy. Yeah. Wait, what do you want? Well, should I make your own food for you? So you're waking up very early. Oh, that's good. So today we're going to leave the house very early. Okay.
With my new bitty, she ain't let my off yet. Could've been you, still feeling on my ditty, but you lost that. You had real privileges for this, all snap. Now you getting time out, cause you hit it where my heart's at. Got me going deeper than Amari when that ball snap. Heard you sold your soul on Macari, got you called lacking. Now I'm next door, at the party while you jaw jacking. You know it's for shot, in the rarest and the raw fashion. You still trying to figure how this all happened, huh?
time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
You know this ain't time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space thinking about you.
Say you're the best at making money. Your money rules the world. Your freedom is one thing, but to be is something else.
Wow.
I think it's kind of funny the people who die to kill for the sun only shining over a mansion on the hill.
Please, you guys forgive me with the drawing of nose. I have cold, a serious one, and my kids also have cold. I think it's too much air conditioner for us. I have to reduce, which I have already, because we are better now. We're getting better, actually. I'm better, but my kids are recovering. So, thank you.
VVS don't shine like a sunset. Stocks don't fall like the snow. Private jets don't fly like a shooting star. Honey, if you could feel the wind blow when the chandelier shines in the evening, it couldn't compare to your smile. Money ain't the sweetest when you're bleeding. Sugar-free walking down the aisle. Now we could do without the plastic surgery. Problems you've agreed, death is guaranteed. Let's begin. As the end of saturation on the hill, calling at your will, looking at your bill. Any last regret?
This is 6 6:47, guys. I know you must be worrying. Oh, such a long clip, and it's just 6:47. I tried so hard to make this video short, trust me. And I'm going to have my bath now so I can get ready for my day. So, guys, I've put off my gel now, and we're about to go. This is just 7 o'clock. See, weather is still bright, and I have 3 venues today to work on. Hopefully we can finish on time, but if I'm not able to go for the 3, I might just finish with 2 and the rest to just my colleagues to just do 1 more. And we're ready. I'm ready to sweat.
Money rules the world. Your freedom is one thing, but to be is something else. I think it's kind of funny the people who die to kill for the sun only shining over a mansion on the hill.
No. Does that look like a toy? So I have to go drop my kids first at my mother-in-law's place because there's nobody at home with me to hold them. So it will take me about an hour to go come and then go to my first venue. Event decor. Are you fucking kidding me? So guys, I'm on my way to the first venue. Well, this is Plantation Estate at Otokutu. Most of you have heard about it here in Warri. Yes, it's a very big estate. I think it's bigger than my estate here in Ami Estate. It's very fine. Yeah, I have to pass through the security protocol here by giving them my PIN, and they'll allow me pass through the gates. And yes, it was successful, and I'm going in now. So see you guys. Later.
Gotta get so bad. Gotta get so
The houses here are super nice. You have to get the land, purchase your land, and then have to build particular style, because the estate management will have to give you a particular style to build. You don't have to go and build something else. I think most of the houses here are self-compound, maybe self-compound with boys quarter, or just self-compound just for you and your family. But I think they have overrentage too. But nevertheless, guys, I think I'll be doing a vlog of or a tour of this plantation city. Yeah, this is our first walk over here. So simple, unique, and chic. It's a bridal, sorry, it's a baby shower. So guys, we're at our second location. Yeah.
say you're the best at making money, and money rules the world. Your freedom is one thing, but to be is something else. I think it's kind of funny the people who die to kill for the sun only shining over a mansion on the hill. VVS don't shine like a sunset, stocks don't fall like the snow, private jets don't fly like a shooting star. Honey, if you could feel the wind blow when the chandelier shines in the evening, you couldn't compare to your smile. You don't Money ain't the sweetest when you're bleeding. Sugar-free walking down the aisle. No, we couldn't do without the plastic surgery. Quantum fuels agree, death is guaranteed. Lest we forget. As the end knocks, explanation on the hill. Calling at your will, looking at your bill. Any last regrets? Say you're the best at making money. Your money rules the world. Your freedom is one thing, but to be is something else. I think it's kind of funny, the people who die to kill, for the sun only shining over a mansion on the hill.
So honeys, thanks for watching. This video is coming to an end. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to follow my business handle Hollylux Events. I repeat, Hollylux Events. Yes, we also have Mickey and Bunny for rent or for hire. Bye.